Okay guys, so I'm going to be explaining PEMDAS for y'all. And a lot of us, or some of us probably remember it as Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, which we learned in elementary school for the most part, or in the past 2 years of middle school in Miss Kennedy's or Miss Higginbotham's class. So, what is broken down, what PEMDAS means is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. And you use it in this order. So whenever you're doing it, you always want to start with parentheses for your first problem. And then you would go on to exponents, but we're not doing exponents, so you don't have to worry about that for now. Then multiplication would be your next step. Then division, then addition and subtraction. Now there's not always going to be all of these in one problem, so sometimes you're only going to have some of them. So, yeah. So we'll start with the problem, which is 16. Well, let me change to a fun color. So it is 16 divided by 2 plus 10 minus 5. And before you start, you can always, if you still don't have them memorized in like order and everything, you can come up in the corner and you can write PEMDAS. And that's what I did before. So you can write PEMDAS and then you're going to start. So the first thing you do is look for parentheses. So you don't see any parentheses, so you exit out. Look for exponents, no exponents. So then you're going to look for multiplication, no multiplication. Look for division. Oh, there's some division. So you're going to divide it. So you get 8, and then cross out your division so you know you've done it. Then look for addition, which we have some addition. Well, hold it. I forgot a part. You're going to write it out as you go along once you do a step. So then I would have this in here. So for your addition, it would be 8 plus 10. So then you'd get 18. So cross out that. And then put your next part in, which is minus 5. So then you look for subtraction. Of course, you have it. So cross out your subtraction. And 18 minus 5 is 13. So that would be your answer. So that's our first problem. And that's one of them that we're doing. And 2 more. So our next one says 60 plus 3. And then in parentheses it says 4 times 5. And close the parentheses. You're going to write PEMDAS up in the corner if you still need to. I'll do it just in case. Oh, and there's something stuck on my stylus. Okay. So PEMDAS. Or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, if that helps you. So you're going to look for parentheses first. Of course, there are parentheses. So you always start with your parentheses. So you will get 20. And keep your 20 in parentheses. And then you're going to look for exponents. No exponents. Not multiplication. Well, yeah, but it's in parentheses. So that's your first step. Division, nope. Addition, yes. So you will, Lord, I keep forgetting this. So you will have already brought down 60 plus 3. So don't forget to write that down after you put down 20. Don't do what I just did. Or before that, okay? Then you're going to figure out your addition. So it'd be 63 and then times 20. So you cross out your addition, check for any subtraction, nope. So then you are going to figure it out, which you probably can do on a calculator or you can do it on here. But I'm going to do it on a calculator. And my answer I got is 1,260. So that would be your answer. And we're going to go on to our next one. So let me get a fun little color. Okay. So this one says it says 40 minus 3 times 4. Oof, my little tab bar keeps coming up and messing me up. So you're going to write PEMDAS up if you need it. I like this color. It's very poppy. So you're going to look for parentheses. Yes, there are some parentheses on here. Yay. So you're going to figure it out. So 3 times 4 is 12. So cross out your parentheses. Check for exponents. No. And multiplication, it was in the parentheses. Division. No, don't see none. Or don't see any. And addition, no, don't see any. Oh, what did we forget to do? Bring down our 40 minus 12. So obviously, there is a subtraction. So you're going to subtract. So 40 minus 12 would be 28. You can do that on your paper in the corner right here if you need to. Or you can do it on a calculator with all the little buttons right there for you. This is not very accurate calculator as you can see, but oh well. So your answer would be 28. Yay! And if you need to, you can do some of your own on paper or on your iPad. If you feel like you need more work, you can make up some of your own, or you can look at some other videos and follow what they did. But these are pretty easy or more complicated, but if you just follow your simple rule, very simple, PEMDAS, right here, if you just follow it, it's quite simple. And you can always write it in the paper, like I said, and cross out as you go along, which will help you a lot. And I hope y'all liked the video and understood it. If you don't, watch some more or tell me at school so I can make sure my next video can be more detailed for y'all. Okay, y'all have a good day. Okay then, toodles.